SLUDGEZAP is a hassle-free, eco-friendly way to eliminate organic waste buildup causing blockages in bathroom and kitchen sinks, showers and toilets. And each scoop contains billions of bacteria that digest organic buildups in drains, removing the cause of blockages and odours. SLUDGEZAP works in two ways. Firstly, it clears legacy blockages. To do this, you add 2 scoops twice a week for the first 4 weeks to clear the legacy buildup. After that, you move on to a preventative dose, or what we call a maintenance dose, which is 1 scoop once a week. Applying SLUDGEZAP is easy. Take out 1 full scoop, apply directly into the drain and briefly run cold water to help the powder flow through the pipework and allow the bacteria to get to work. We recommend dosing during periods of closure or low footfall to enable the bacteria to do its best work.